Alright folks, welcome to Captain Ken Fishing. I've got my good buddy fishing with TR on board the Catfish battleship this afternoon, and we have decided to enter into the tournament. A group of folks, West Point Catfish Anglers, throws together a tournament every month with a bunch of folks that just love catfishing. So y'all follow along this afternoon as we share our series of mishaps and a little bit of success along the way. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Captain's log, hour number 1. No fish. We got hung up. We had maybe 2 little nibbles. No fish. Stay tuned. Y'all, we had lines in the water starting at 4 p.m. and we did not catch our first fish until 8:58 at night. It was a long afternoon and evening. Stay buttoned up, that's all I want you to do. You want me to clear anything? Good. You need me to clear anything at all? Just
that joker's swimming upstream.
Man, that's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear.
Got the board buried and everything.
That's what I want to hear.
I'm sitting here telling you, hey, this is the level line, and I ain't level winding. All right. Woo-woo! Yeah, baby. All right, getting going in the right direction.
Oh, butter ball. Heck yeah. Good fish, my man. Good fish. That thing is all kind of scarred up.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Cut it up, baby. Cut it up. All right, pump down and wind up. Son of a gun. Are you kidding me? All right. We may have to hand line it, TR. It ain't winding.
It is. It is? Yep. Not fast, but it is.
Pump up and wind down. I don't think you're winding.
Oh no, I'm not.
All right, going the wrong way. Give me that rod. I'll take the line.
All right. Wise again.
Just hand lining, yeah. Yep. Shoot, I wonder if I can line this up. This is, hey, folks, we got a rod malfunction here.
Lining just like for tuna fish.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it back on the reel as you bring it in. Lord of mercy, if I need to clear something, TR, let me know.
We're off the place of that one, but I think I mowed it.
Yeah, you got it mowed. This is ridiculous right here, folks. I'm gonna get the net so we don't lose this fish. Hopefully it's hooked great. We'll see. I love these cheap Cash King Rover reels. I really do. They're good for the money, but a tournament is not the time where you want one of these things to be malfunctioning. It was a real malfunction. See there? All right. He's in. We had to hand line him, but he's in. All right. Nice.
Oh, here we go.
Woo! Yep. All right, folks. So, Cash King Rover, they're cheap, but they're easily replaceable. TR had a fish on the outside board, and this stinking thing back in business. We already got this rig swapped out. Lines re-spooled, and we back out. Might have been 5 minutes out of commission, but we back in business. So here we go. 1 and 10.
Ooh, baby, I still got some touch. This ain't terrible. We could put him in the boat. I think he's gonna replace something. Heck yeah, baby. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, get this other one forward. Not terrible. Little fun size. He wants to come out. Oh, I see who you are. Wait a minute, buddy. All right, cute little guy. That's the one that gets to go back to the water. Appreciate you playing along, fella. Nice. All right. Love it when we get to cull them. We're right about 10 o'clock. We've got 4 fish, culled the small one, 3 decents. Nothing big really, honestly, but we got 3 decent catfish, I think. Hand line one in. Mr. TR did work. I don't know how he did it, but he made it happen. So when these reels blow up like that, you do what you got to do to get the fish in. But let's see what we got in the box. Yeah, I don't know how well that'll show up on camera, but I don't know. We got about maybe 30 pounds. Nah, shoot, we got more than that. We got 45. Probably close to 40 at least. 40, 45 pounds in there. So anyway, take it. 10 o'clock, we got another hour and a half, no, 2.5 hours to go. Been a grind, but it's been a good one. Catch y'all in a bit. Dang it. Guys, we're right here at the buzzer. We're getting ready to blast off and head back to the landing. We're way in, and man, I thought we had one. We actually had several pull downs here in the last few minutes, but I think it's all dinky little channel cats. The bite has died. Oh, dang it. I thought that might have been him. We're really looking for that one big fish, but we'll have to see what we make do with what we got. Yep. We got what we got. Got what we got. All right. Look out now. Don't do that.
And I'll hold it. Big money winners right there.
What about that?
Hey, should y'all take TR's boat?
We're just gonna go to the house.
See y'all later.
All right.
You guys gotta go back. Get that thing out of here.
That's it, TR. 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, great job. There you go, good
All
job.
right.
Nice fish, nice
Watch
fish.
your back. All right, here's your blanket. I don't want this
Next,
way.
who's next? Come on, bring the fish up.
He gives me hard. He'll be harder than that.
I already knew it, I just had to see.
Ready?
Ain't bad at all there, buddy.
Damn. It works. See? That's what happens when you start talking. Right there, Miller. Life lesson.
You do guys too, don't you? Huh? You do guys too?
Hold on, I'm
I
I was like, yes, sir. It's a big one. It's a big one. And it's like,
Hey, you hit me on the stomach.
Hold on, TR.
Damn, he did a squat.
Oh, I'm sorry. Big fish.
hey,
Which one's the biggest?
Team
Right there, I
YouTube.
think.
That looks like the big one.
That middle one's a butterball, though.
Big fish. TR's disqualified. Big I say about
It's gonna be a little better than ours, bro.
about 2 pounds, 5 ounces.
Oh, they're God. Oh, God.
18.5. 18.5.
We got second place right now.
Got us on now.
I got second place right now. We
Yeah, but he
got
got two. He got 2 studs. Go with him. Yeah, that one was bigger.
to start paying more for fishing with us.
We got 3 about the same size. Now you gonna pick that up? We ain't having big
Hey, he might need some help.
35 for sure.
43.5. 43.5.
He is wound. His fingers off, and he grabbed a flathead, and the flathead skied him up.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he just.
You just like it.
Oh, he just.
Lost 6 ounces right there. That's a relay. Yeah, they pump them full of water. That's why.
Thank you, Miller. This right here is my hero. This is Miller. Miller, did you do any good tonight? What'd you do, man?
I got a 15-pound blue.
A 15-pound blue. That's pretty good right there.
27.5-pound flathead dove tournament.
That's what I'm talking about. See what we can do.
Third place.
That's what I hear.
With a total weight of 40.5.
Miller.
Nah. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Let me find him. Let me find him. He's there smiling over there. Come on, Toon fishing.
Come on. Hey, Toon. Good job. Good job. Everybody give him a round of applause.
Hey, y'all were in 3rd place last month, didn't you?
3rd place again.
Hey,
Look
look
at
at
y'all. Y'all hang tight. I'm gonna announce these and we'll get
Hold
fixed.
on,
Right?
Toon.
Is there a 3rd place flag in there?
Oh, no, there's not. My bad.
No.
My bad, Toon.
He just wants to snatch your hose out from me.
Sorry, Toon. Take that.
All right. 2nd place with 43.5 total weight.
I know that way.
I'm gonna let y'all guess who that is.
Team you two.
Hey, you too.
There you are.
All right, give him a round of applause. That's all right.
Where you at, Ken?
Hold that for me, buddy.
You hold the plaque, I hold mine. I'll get y'all fixed.
I might have turned. Ladies and gentlemen, Team YouTube.
That's right.
All right, y'all get together.
All right, everybody get together and take first place. 45.5. Who's that say? Lee Jones? Hey!
All right.
First place right there. All right. We got one more right here. Big fish. Big fish tonight. 36 pounds even. Okay.
Dang.
Joe.
Come on, Zoe. Yep.
And this is his first tournament, and that was his personal best.
Nice.
They get big fish too?
So, hold these, hold that. Let me get some pictures.
Who got big fish? Joe. Oh, both of them got first place.
36 pounds, man.
No, just big fish.
You got to smile for it.
That's right.
Y'all got a hug or something. That way.
Y'all got to get a little tighter now.
Get there, we all stink. You'll be all right.
Tell you what, do it like this here. 1, 2, 3.
Get in there, boy.
There it is.
All right.